These baby animals hatching ASMR videos are very satisfying to watch, and they can perform really well on social media. I'll show you step by step how to create them. But before that, if you want to monetize on TikTok, you can get a pre-monetized account and start earning from your very first post. Here's what I've created. I've prepared the prompts in a Notion file, which you'll need for this process. Copy the template prompt and open Flow. Enter the prompt, then switch out the animal name in the brackets with any new animal you want, like elephant. Make sure to enable video, choose the model as VO 3.1, and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Once that's done, the video will generate. VO 3.1 generates videos that are 8 seconds long. But to monetize on TikTok, your video needs to be longer than 1 minute. So you'll need about 8 different clips. I've generated 8 videos, each featuring a different animal. Once you have all 8 clips, add them into CapCut. Import them onto the timeline, select all the videos, go to audio, then voice changer, and enable full voice. This will boost the volume, since we're not using any background music. Get a pre-monetized account link in the description.